For our sample problem number 1 on the topic right triangle formulas, we need to find the value of cosine squared theta given tangent theta equals to x over 3. Now, if you can remember, we define trigonometric functions as functions used to relate the sides of a right triangle. Also, when we say tangent theta, dun sa Nemoids na Sokatoa, sabi natin, tangent theta equal to opposite side over adjacent side. So, ito yung TOA dun sa Sokatoa. No, para malaman natin ano yung magiging value ng ating cosine squared given this tangent theta, we need to draw yung ating triangle following this equation. Now, ito yung ating triangle. So, you can draw it however you want. Kung ano mang orientation yung mas labor sa inyo. Pero let's say, ito yung ating angle theta. Now, dito sa ating tangent theta equals to opposite over adjacent, sabi natin, dito sa problem na to, equal siya kay x over 3. Now, balik tayo dun sa definition. So, we use trigo function to relate or to have the ratio ng dalawang sides ng isang right triangle. So, basically dito, si x na nasa numerator corresponds to the opposite side of the triangle, while si 3 na nasa denominator corresponds to the adjacent side of the triangle. Para mas magets natin ano yung magiging value ng cosine theta, kailangan nating i-drawing or i-label itong triangle natin based on this equation given. So, si x, siya yung opposite side. So, lalagay natin siya dito. While si 3, siya naman si adjacent side. So, dito natin siya ilalagay. So, nawawala na lang yung pinaka-hypotenuse ng ating triangle. But, we can find that by applying these two values na nakalabel na and with the help of the Pythagorean theorem. So, sabi natin kay Pythagorean theorem, so, the hypotenuse squared equals siya dun sa squared ng adjacent plus the squared of the opposite side. So, dito, itong hypotenuse natin, yung longest side ng ating triangle, we can find it as, sulat natin dito, hypotenuse squared. So, equal siya kay adjacent squared. So, ang adjacent natin, ang value dito sa problem na to ay 3. So, 3 squared plus opposite side squared, that is x squared for this case. Now, if you want to get the value of hypotenuse lang, ito kasi ay naka-squared, no? Para makancel si squared, kailangan nating square root both sides of the equation. Take note, si 3 squared plus x squared, hindi mo sila pwedeng gawa ng tig-isang radical sign kasi merong operation sa pagitan nila. So, hypotenuse squared na naka-square root, the exponent cancels. So, parang raised to 2. Tapos, i-raise mo ng 1/2. So, 2 times 1/2 is 1. It cancels. Matitira na lang with our hypotenuse. Equal to. So, simplify na lang natin yung nasa loob since hindi naman sila pwedeng paghiwalayin. So, 3 squared is 9 plus x squared. Now, for this one, pwede nyo namang pagbalik na rin sa commutative property of addition. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-rewrite as square root of x squared plus 9. So, okay lang din naman ganun. So, gawin natin, i-label na lang natin itong hypotenuse. Sabihin naman natin, ito ay 9 plus x squared. So, yan na yung measurement or pinaka-expression ng ating tatlong sides ng right triangle. So, balik tayo dun sa hinahanap na cosine squared theta. So, for this case, huwag nyo na munang pansinin si squared, no? So, tingnan lang muna natin ano yung value ng cosine theta. Tapos, yun na lang yung squared natin later on. So, when we say naman cosine theta, so ito yung ka dun sa Sokatoa. Ibig sabihin, this is adjacent divided by the hypotenuse side of the triangle. So, pwede natin makuha kahit even yung sine, even yung mga reciprocal, as long as, syempre, alam natin yung tatlong side ng ating triangle. So, for this one, tingin tayo dito sa ating triangle. So, adjacent over hypotenuse daw. So, anong adjacent side natin? That's 3. Divide natin by the hypotenuse side. So, that's the square root of 9 plus x squared. So, ang inahanap ay cosine squared. O para mahanap yun, i-squared natin din itong c, 3 over square root of 9 plus x squared. So, we have the value of cosine squared theta as the value of 3 over square root of 9 plus x squared na x squared. So, apply lang tayo ulit ng quotient power rule. So, ito yung quotient power natin. If you have a over b raised to m, it can be expressed as a raised to m over b raised to m. Therefore, yung ating cosine squared theta, this is root 3 na naka-squared divided by square root of 9 plus x squared na naka-squared. If you simplify this one, 3 squared is 9. Yung nasa ilalim naman, so the square root tapos square mo, so radical sign cancels. Ang matitira na lang ay 9 plus x squared. So same pa rin, no? Pwede namang isulat ito. So, it will be the same if you write it as 9 over x squared plus 9. So pwede rin siyang ganyan. So that's our answer for this problem.